So back again, and this time I'm going to show you how to do or make a fabulous garland or a swag, whatever you want to call it. If you're really interested and you would like to see some more inspiration, like, share and subscribe. And for a discount off the Floristry Trade Club membership, look at the link below in the description. This one is going to be more of a swag than a garland, but the materials you can actually make into a garland. And I've chosen some very natural looking products apart from the cones which have been sprayed gold, but these are reusable over and over again. Look at these amazing cotton pods, very on trend, very sort of natural looking and quite a different sort of texture to them. In terms of, you know, our everyday foliages. I've got some lovely spruce type branches that I've got, and look at this amazing magnolia. I just love magnolia when it's changing into this gorgeous sort of rusty coppery colour, and it lasts and lasts and lasts out of water, so it's perfect. So with the twine, I've already pre-brought my base. If I can hold up, so it's almost like a sheaf, but it's actually going to hang the other way, and I've just tied that very securely. I'm going to add the cotton, and then I'm just going to add some cones, a little bit more magnolia. I'm angling it so that it looks as though it's going to go towards the left, because that's how naturally it's growing, so it's just perfect. Again, I'm using the magnolia because, as you can see here, if I pull that up, you can see that I'm bringing this into sort of like it's like a pear-shaped, almost like a diamond shape. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the cotton, which are just as I mentioned earlier, so on trend. And if, like, these little pods at the base of the stem, there's too many, and you need to keep that binding point very clear and clean, you can always use these in arrangements. They're great for wiring up. You could even, you know, just put them into little planted arrangements just for something of interest. So don't throw any of these away. Mention to your team and your members of staff, you know, this is all worth using. And then every so often I'm just going to put a couple of sharp pulls on the twine, so I'm making sure that everything is in place and not going to move. And then we'll bring the gold down through the cotton just to give a little bit of sparkle against those gorgeous magnolia, and it lasts forever without any sort of hydration or water, so you can rest assured that this would be perfect for making early. And in fact, making it now so that you can actually have examples to show your customers and clients of what they could order well in advance. Add this lovely ribbon that I pre-made. Put it on the other way so it's actually hanging down. So it's the opposite way to actually how you'd have a hand tied. Beautiful quality ribbon is this, it's gorgeous. But you can use raffia, you don't have to put a ribbon on at all. I just think it looks just more of a Christmassy, wintry look, doesn't it, when it's and it could be a fabulous gift as well. So I'm just going to put that into there, although I would normally tie it on for security. You could have a pair of those, so you could have it either side of the front door, or you could have it hanging from a banister if you have, you know, a lovely staircase. It's just an idea. It's very simple. Use very few materials really, but what I would say is that you have a wire hook at the back, so you can actually hook it on. But yes, something that I would sell every day of the week in the winter Christmas season.